This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Rob Weston. A rare opportunity to own a new solar one-level new home in Bellingham. Custom home designed specifically for this lot. 3-bed 2-bath open floor plan. White cabinets, quartz counters, elegant laminate flooring, kitchen island bar. Custom fireplace surround with shiplap and built-in shelving. Masters with tile bathroom, shower and large walk-in closet. Front bedroom is perfect for den/office or third bedroom. Quaint, partially fenced yard, perfect for entertaining or a little solitude. Solor panels are installed and active. Prewired for CenturyLink high-speed internet. 2 to 10 limited warranty. For more information, review